What's up everyone, it's Sam here, and today we are gonna check out the Anker Bluetooth speaker. Let's go. Let's go ahead. What's inside? Got the memory card. How many gigabytes did I get? 16 gigabytes with an adapter. Nice, from SanDisk. Cool. That's about it. Anker. I love their packaging. It's pretty simple. It's pretty good. Everything goes smoothly. Alright, here we go. Let's put this out. Let's see what else is inside this box. Not happy, owner's manual, but aside, some documentation. Do we have a cable in here? It says charging cable. It's right here. I'm gonna hit it. Alright, here we go. Micro USB cable. Right. Cool. Whoa. Pretty cool. I got the color black. It comes in different colors: rose gold, gold, silver. But I think it's a cool color, black. What is this? Nothing. Right. Okay, let's see this thing. It's so simple. Of course, it's a speaker. All right. Play, volume up and down, button switch on and off. Alright, headphone jack, micro USB charging port, and the memory card slot, which I need right now to open. There's a tab here. Nice, awesome packaging. Okay, so we have the adapter. I can connect it to my MacBook Air, transfer music, pretty cool, and the memory card's tiny. Let's see, very nice. Okay. Let's install it. There is no music right now, but I'm just showing you guys how simple. Beautiful, simple. This is the unboxing of the Anker speaker, and it's Bluetooth. It's one of the Anker speakers, and it's gorgeous, simple, nice metal design, very solid, and I like the rubber bottom. Has a grip. I'm like moving it and it does move. It's pretty cool. I like that. High quality. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video. Thank you.